All right, what's up, y'all? So today we have Toyota Sequoia, which is mine, my baby Pegasus. If you like what you see, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? So today we got this bad boy right here. So I got this from AutoZone for $112. So we're gonna throw this bad boy right here. Comes with Bluetooth radio, SD camera option, and it should be a very simple process. And this one specifically has a JBL system, so hopefully I don't have to go get any extra wiring, because extra wiring is annoying. So let's try to get this bad boy started. All right, got two little screws right here, pop the panel off, and then should be two screws right here, and we good. All right, so 1 and 2, and then I should be able to that seems to work the best. Yeah, pull it, that'll work, but all right, cool. So let's pop these 10 mils out, and let's see what we got. All right, bolts unscrewed. Here is the unit. This bad boy is nice. Got auxiliary joints, so hopefully doesn't need any extra work. So let's take this out. And one plug, one antenna, and another cord. All right, so it's actually the next day, and had to connect these wires. So all these sectioned off, I taped up. Blue and white, and blue to blue. We got red to red. We got yellow to yellow. Then we got black and white. Yeah, black and white stripe to black. All these other ones you don't need, but and then the kit or the radio comes with specific instructions for these. So let's take this to the car and see what we can do. All right, so we got the old radio out. After we test it, I'll take these 4 bolts off, put it onto the new radio, which is in here, and then we should be straight. But first, we're gonna test these connections to the new radio while it's out, and make sure everything works fine. Let's get to it. All right, she's all plugged in. The specific instructions came with this wiring. I know on the YouTube video it says something different, but I'm going with the instructions say, just off of here for clarity. Everything looks good here. So let's get this battery plugged in and see what we do. Now, I am just a tad bit nervous, just because it's something new that I've never done. Yeah. So that lights back on. All right, let's see what we got, man. Uh-oh. Ooh. Now that right there look kind of nice. We got sound. Sound. And a working radio. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Everything works. All right, so thank God that worked. So now we're gonna put everything, we're gonna plug everything back in, and then give it a full test, I guess, and connect it and see how this bad boy works. I do have to move these brackets over, and it shouldn't line up directly, but I'm gonna show you all that. So let's get to it. All right, we got everything going. Phone connected. Speakers are working beautifully. All 4 of them are working. Just gotta put this piece back in here, and then we all cleaned up, man. We'll be good to go. All right, so everything is done. Everything works beautifully. Everything's put back together nice. It's a real simple end. This installation, the only things I would say watch out for, it's pretty much nothing, honestly. The bezel's easy to take off. The radio is pretty easy to take out. Make sure that you get the Metre 70-8113. It's gonna be linked below in the description. If you have a Sequoia first gen with the JBL audio system, then that's the adapter you're gonna need to plug it in from the radio to the harness of the car. I only had to crimp 3 sets of wires. Very simple, very easy. If you got any questions, comment down below. I got plenty of ideas and shit to do with this vehicle right here. So subscribe, you know, drop a like, drop a comment, you know, any constructive criticism, anything that you want to say, or you know, you just want to speak to me, that is fine as well. I can talk all day. So that's it. It's your boy Hakim, man. I'm out of here. Big homie out.